doing a snack tasting video on some snacks. So first we'll be trying M&M with caramel in the middle. These. Yeah. Okay. So. Ready? 1, set, go. They're pretty good. So the next one we have the Cookie Layer Crunch Vanilla Cream one. Never tried this one. Can you open it? Because I can't. Oh, and we will rate them after the video. I mean, after we done tasting. So, we only have one, so we're going to split it. So, 1, 2, 3, go. It's good. Put it in a pack. It's good. So put that aside. The next one will be the chocolate frosted flakes. So let me get some. Real good. They're good. Next thing we would try. Our mom will need to buy us some more because these are good cereals. So next we would try the Airhead Extreme Bites. I was eating them, so they only have like 2 more, which is good for us. They're right in the corner right there. And they're the blue, the rainbow berry ones. This is what it looks like. Ready, set, go. Good. So I'm gonna tell our mama that can we have some more of these for me and her, cause I love them. So the next one, and this will be our last one, the Cheetos Sweetos Caramel Puffs. I don't like this one. I like them. They're good. I'm gonna keep the bag. They're good. Now it's time to rate. So for the Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch, the vanilla cream, out of 1 to 5, I give it a 4. I'll give it a 5. For the caramel M&M,
11.
No, 1 to 5. M&M caramel, I give it a.
I give it 10. I mean, not 10.
I give it a 5.
I'll give it a 4.
So the Airhead Extreme Bites, I give it a 5.
I give it that a 3.
So the next one, the chocolate frosted flakes, I give that a 5.
I'll give that a 5 too. And then the Cheetos.
Sweetos.
A one.
I will give that a 5.
Make sure you... Oh, you can comment down below if you tasted one and if you tasted one.
Or if you wanted to try more of the snacks.
Make sure you share, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.